Hola mis amigos, we're making chaat masala roasted veggies. Hello everybody. So I kind of feel like I am totally cheating you out of a video today because this is going to be a super quick one. I am spontaneously filming because today I received this, and these are some more spices from our friends over at RawSpiceBar. And I did do a video in the past on RawSpiceBar, but I can't remember at the moment what it was that I made that day. But whatever it was, I remember that I used up all of the spices that they gave me. And I remember back then the spices came in sort of a pouch, but now they have these stackable tins. So here I have 3, and these are 1 ounce tins. So here we have our Japanese curry powder, as well as some salmon seasoning and chaat masala. And each one does tell you all of the ingredients to make up the spice blend. And today we are going to use the chaat masala. So I have some chicken that's actually roasting in the oven right now, and I of course needed a side dish. So I figured why not go ahead and incorporate the spices with some vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and roast these vegetables. And of the 3 spices that I was provided with, I figured the chaat masala, if I can get this to focus, is the better option. Maybe this or even the Japanese curry powder, but I'm going to go with this one. And this would probably be great as well as if I was making some curry chicken, then this would really just bring the dish all together. But I am going to go ahead and open this up. And let's try to get a close-up of the spice. There we go. Very natural, very delicious looking. It looks very quality. And I'm sorry I don't have measurements for you, but in here I have some chopped red onion, I have some zucchini, some radish, and some baby carrots. I think it would also be fantastic to add some Brussels sprouts to this as well, but we just had Brussels sprouts, so I don't want to get tired of that, so I'm leaving that out today. I'm gonna start off with a ½ tablespoon of our chaat masala seasoning, and I do apologize if I'm mispronouncing that word. I'm just pronouncing it as it's spelled. So that's a ½ tablespoon, and we're just going to drizzle some olive oil right in here. I am not adding any salt because I did read the ingredients and it does contain some salt. And then we're just going to toss this up with our clean hands, and then we're good to go to start roasting. And it looks like for the amount of veg that I am using, the ½ tablespoon was perfect. Oh, this smells so good. So what you're gonna do now is just put this into a pan, and we're going to roast this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for, I don't know, 30 to 40 minutes. You just want to keep your eye on it. But I'm actually not going to do this today in the oven. I'm going to just throw this into my air fryer. Again, at 400 degrees. I'm not sure of the time just yet. I'll let you know when it's done. But it should be quicker than putting it into the oven. So let me go ahead and get these roasted up. And then we will add this with our chicken, and then we will be all set to enjoy dinner. And here we are with our roasted vegetables. And remember, as I said, I did use my air fryer instead of the oven, and I ended up roasting these for 24 minutes, and I did shake them at the 12-minute mark. And it smells fantastic, and they taste absolutely delicious. This was the perfect choice of a spice to make these vegetables. And as you can see, it was super fast, didn't need much thought, just cut up some vegetables, put them in some seasoning and oil, and throw them in the air fryer or the oven. Special thanks to RawSpiceBar for providing us with these spices, and I will have a link in the description box below for you to check them out. Chaat Masala, roasted veggies. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.